At my first drone, yes! I'm gonna film so much.
No one gives a shit about your stupid drone shots.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
First, I need to charge controller and drone SD cards. It's so light. I bought this drone from official DJI store. It's on a special sale right now. I found it's the cheapest that I could find right now, and with like this special RC controller. Everyone is recommending this on the internet, so I bought it, and DJI Care for €59 for 1 year. It's my first drone ever, and I'm in shock. It's so fast. And I didn't bought any extra batteries. My plan is to just go with this drone and power bank and charge it from the power bank. And that's my that high in the sport mode. It's really fast. I'm exhausted right now. I'm sitting and editing this video, but it's so much stress to fly a drone when you know like your money is just in the air. You have to be so careful. It's amazing. I can't wait to fly more, especially in the mountains when I'm hiking. I need to test more drone. I'm so scared to use it. So much money flying in the air. I'm not prepared for that. I found a nice spot to test my drone. Let's go. It's windy. Kurwa. First time starting and landing from hand. Wow, it's so cool. It's amazing, wow, but I'm shaking. I need to practice more flying with this drone, but it's so fun. I need to safely transport my drone to home.